Roy Lopez will help me here. And Joseph Yo is there. For the first time, it's 6 of 13 by the Express from the stripe.
Oh, make that 6 out of 14. Bubaba ang free throw percentage ng Air 21. Oh,
Benisi, his second rainbow. Napakalital nito sa San Miguel, ano? Pagka lumip na atom na ito si Joseph Yo. In the meantime, that shot too strong. Freeman climbing over everybody. There's a foul downstairs against Kramer.
Kramer's trying to be very active underneath the boards, trying to get offensive, defensive rebounds.
Ang nawala sa San Miguel si Bonbon Custodio. Yun ang nakatrade for yes. Joseph Yo. In the meantime, here's that player you were looking for.
Well, Ron J. Buenafé is finally back on the floor. He had a spectacular start, hitting back-to-back three-pointers. Si Bo Belga, binalik din ni Coach Sheng Diao. So he's a bruiser. And we did say that it's important for Air 21 to establish its physical defense.
Alvarez now picking up Freeman. There's Yo, three-point attempt.
Oh, what a way to start his career at San Miguel. Dali, akala ko ba slashing ang forte nito ba? Tumira sa labas, pumasok.
May mga ninjang kaya rin tumira. Mura marayo, ano ha? Here's Belga.
Here's Young. Now what's he going to do with the ball? Will he try to score?
That's always a question, actually.
No, he's looking to pass. Alam mo, partner, isa lang ang style niya. Once he gets the ball, he tries to inch his way inside. He doesn't have a turnaround shot.
Wala, kulang na Arsenal. Be honest, nothing there. Young tried to reach for it. No, here's Jay Washington on the move. 3-on-2 bust out. No look pass to Freeman. Yep. Pipihit sana.
He was not in step.
No, wala eh. Tango ba or quick step ang gagawin? Hindi na nagkaintindihan yung mga paa niya. But Shaw Duncanson explaining that, you know, 5 minutes to go. San Miguel ahead 36-27.
Well, Young trying to set a pick there, trying to roll to the basket, didn't get the pass.
Buenafé launches.
And Young is not even positioned to get the possible offensive rebound. He's very ineffective in this game.
Alam mo, nadidiscover niya maraming kailangan gawin ng import dito ah. Leones throws it down. Here comes Young down the middle. Belga got it.
And Young is no longer looking to score because he doesn't have an opportunity to get a good look.
Flopping warning on Washington. And we're down to 4:29. Mukhang winded ba pare?
Hinihingal pa nga.
Ano kung tayo sa boxing tayo na yun? Sa bibig na umihinga eh, no?
And he had a lot of time to rest opening the second quarter. So it's not a good sign here for Kina Young. As far as his PBA career is concerned, ang ginagwardyahan niya, hindi naman import, kundi si Jay Washington lamang.
Saka tinutulak lang siya ni Washington eh. Hook shot.
Naka-score pa? Hindi naman naka-score.
Ayaw lang.
Oh, pero siya nakapulot. Siya pa naka-score.
Doon na lang tinahan sa kabila.
Oo. Yun ang masakit. Yun ang dinidepensa ng import. Naka-score pa.
Offensive foul pa.
Oh, he's clearly frustrated. He's out of sync.
And Yang Jiao is shaking his head.
Yeah. He doesn't have a turnaround shot. His offense is limited. Sabi nga natin kanina, no? Yung scouting report natin. 0 out of 4 from three-point distance in his entire collegiate career, 3 years, sa Brigham Young. So he doesn't have an outside game.
I mean, let's be honest. How quickly do the coaches make a decision about changing an import? Sometimes mabilis, huh?
Yes, exactly. Especially if an import is available who's ready to fly in.
Oh.
And usually that's what coaches do, huh? Hindi na sila kumukuha ng isa. Meron silang mga backup.
May nakastambay na
yes, na naghihintay just in case.
At saka pinapapractice na nila. Oh, Alvarez.
Well, down the baseline. And Coach Shotang Kinsen not happy with that play. There was no defense to shut down the baseline.
Buena Fe taking it away. They're down by 7 with 3 minutes remaining in the opening half. Young got it to Billones. Boy,
he's so gun-shy.
And that's how winded na talaga.
Oh, tsaka hindi tumitira eh. He gets the ball, he fakes, but he does not shoot.
Yang Yao yelling at his team. Belga with a foul. Third foul on Belga. The Express need to talk things over. They'll do so down by 7. As Magu Marjon likes to call it, the historic Big Dome in Cubao, Quezon City is where we're reporting from. And our score is 38-31.
And that's Mrs. Doug Kramer.
The one on the left.
On the left, yes.
Mamputi na yung malinaw.
Si Cheska.
Yeah. Oh, si Alex Compton, malapit na rin yan.
Ganun ba?
May nakahapon sa PBL coverage. Eh.
Ganun, ha?
Oh.
Na ikakasal na.
Hindi ko kilala yan. Pero sinabi ko, mami naman, hindi naman din nila.
Okay.
Oh, matanda ka na, Alex. Sige na. Ito, rumibang naman si Yang. Pero hinihingal talaga kinito.
Mukha nga eh.
Bo Belga underneath, nowhere to go.
Well, Belga was trying to return the favor. Kanina napasahan siya ni Yang. At ngayon naman, si Yang ang pinasahan niya. Let's see whether he'll improve his free throw shooting percentage. And he's got to improve because he's shooting 0% so far.
Nakashoot naman. 1 out of 3.
Sabi nga natin kanina, no? He's actually not a bad free throw shooter.
At saka, bumababa naman sa depensa at maybe he's just now discovering what kind of game he has to bring actually, or what is required of an import here in the PBA.
Well, he's quite upset that he missed that free throw. He clapped his hands. I'm sure he's not happy with the way he's performing. I think he's realizing his limitations.
Oh, Villanueva knocks it in from atop the keyhole. Into the last 2 minutes of the second quarter. Young snaps. Got it!
Yes. That's a medium-range shot coming from Young.
And he has 5 points. They're within 6 now. Freeman asking great at low post. Matias with the body bump. And although it was declared as a non-shooting situation, but because of the penalty, we find Freeman at the free throw line.
Well, Freeman hasn't scored at all the second quarter.
Pero ito kinito na he loads up he scores in bunches
Oh yes. And he knows when to explode. Yung kanyang energy level niya palaging mataas Hinahayaan lang yung kanyang mga teammates to have fun in the offense. He doesn't want to dominate and monopolize.
He's learned how to space out his fouls here in the PBA. Nung una yan, dahil nga sabi mo napaka-enthusiastic nga.
Live wire
Oo nga, sobra. Oh, tough shot to work with. Matias with his first basket. A minute and 12 remaining. A 6-point lead by the Beermen. Villanueva. Washington corner. 2 if it bites. It does not. Freeman tries that one-handed rebound of his. No success. Big pass to Matias. Too many red shirts in front of him. Billones blocked. Whether that was a pass or a shot. Into the corner to Buena Fe. Can't shoot. Young looking around. Namamatay ang bola. Pagpupunta sa kanya. Ayun.
Nakagawan tuloy. He's taking too long with that dribble. But it's going to be an easy 2-point slam dunk. Jay Wash.
40 seconds.